vlog. Y'all know it's Vlogmas, and I'm here to report that what you guys just saw was me getting here to finally do my locks, the long-awaited, you know, signature locks by the one and only Carla. But if you're new to the vlog, my name is Carla. Welcome. Hope you stick around. Maybe you should subscribe, like the vlog. Let's get into it. So first of all, the last time I did locks was 2019 into the beginning of 2020. Don't remember how much hair I used. I remember it being a lot of hair. So I feel like I bought too much hair just now, but I'm not really sure. So I think I bought like 7 of the Marley hair and about 7 of the Canicolon, which is the braiding hair. Usually I think I use way less Canicolon than I would use Marley hair. Like usually I use a lot of Marley hair because that's like the one that I used to wrap and make the locks. I did see that they had like the crochet ones and all of that, but I personally prefer doing my locks myself, like from scratch, you know, instead of using like the crochet versions, because I just think it looks better than the I mean, no hate to anybody that chooses to do the crochet ones, but I just think it looks better in terms of how realistic it looks, and I like my locks looking realistic. So yeah, so I prefer to go through the whole motion of braiding, locking, all of that. So I want to start my hair today. My hair is currently looking a mess. I did this hairstyle for Saturday when I had the event at Cholitos and Lucky Crab. Everybody liked it. I was kind of iffy about it. It was just a hairstyle I saw on YouTube, and I was just like, okay, let me try that, because I didn't know what to do with my hair. But it looks a mess now. It looks a mess now. It looked better on Saturday, I promise. But I actually need to film the Shop Me Say haul because people told me they wanted it. I haven't gotten the chance to film. Today is a great day to film. The lighting is great, so I think I'm actually going to do that now. I'm going to get ready to film it, and then after that I can get started on doing my hair. I have a lot of work to do, but I'm still going to try to do my hair in between like working and stuff. So I'm gonna prep myself, fix up myself to do that haul, and then after the haul, you know. Oh, and quick update in terms of Negril. I told you guys in my Saturday vlog that I was gonna be in Negril. So I was supposed to actually do 2 hotels in Negril, and one was supposed to start on Sunday gone to Thursday, and then I would go to another hotel on Thursday and stay at that hotel until Saturday. However, first hotel didn't work out because of some issues that we're having. So I'm supposed to be going to the other hotel with Bacana this Thursday, and I'm looking forward to that. So in this first half of the vlog, you guys might be wondering like, why isn't she in Negril? That's what happened. But the other vlog that you guys get will definitely be a Negril vlog, I promise. I got y'all, okay? So I'm gonna go film the Shop Me Say, you know, haul. I've never really done a haul video before, so I hope it doesn't go bad. And then yeah, bye. So I just finished filming my Shop Me Say haul not too long ago. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it out, because by the time this vlog comes out, the Shop Me Say haul would already have been out, because I'm gonna post it this Wednesday, which is tomorrow, and by the time you get this vlog, it's gonna be Friday. It took me about 3 hours to film it, I think, or like between 2 hours and 3 hours, I'd say, roughly. Okay, maybe not 3, probably like 1.5 hours to like 2 hours it took me to film. I filmed the first half, and then I had to film the products, and I did some swatches of some of the stuff as well. I put a lot of effort into it, guys, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out, please. I'm so tired now. Like, I am so tired. I wanted to film some other content today. I really wanted to do a cocktail video for Smirnoff, but it's after 3 now, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's 3:38 right now, so all the good light is now gone. I kind of used all the good light while I was filming the Shop Me Say haul, so it's such a short window of light that you get, and I swear, like, being a creator is a lot of work, because just things like that, it might seem so simple, but like light, for instance, because the light window is gone, I don't really want to do anything else that has to do with like filming in natural light. So I'm gonna put that off to tomorrow. So now I'm going to finish up some work. I have a recording that I need to do for Visit Jamaica, for a Visit Jamaica video that I think they really want to get out of the way. So I'm going to record that audio, send it over to them for approval. Then I'm going to, what else do I have to do? I have a reel that I want to post, but I think I'm going to post it around 5 o'clock. And then I have some client work that I need to finish up as well. So I'm going to do all of that. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to start on my hair. The last time, one of my clients just messaged me asking about meeting tomorrow, which is so good because I don't think I could manage today. But so as I was saying, I know people are gonna ask me how I did my locks, so I think I'm gonna just show you guys like a quick little tutorial of how I do my locks. Hopefully I started early enough so I can do it like in decent light, so I can show you guys. I'm not gonna do a full tutorial because there's so many tutorials on YouTube on how to do locks. I don't really do mine any different than that, but I know people are gonna ask because people did ask about my blonde braids. I'm not a hair channel, guys, so you know, but I'll try my best to show you guys something. So I'm gonna get into that. I just had a juice not too long ago, by the way. I actually need to finish this. I have this much left. I need to finish it. These have gotten a lot easier to drink, by the way, because when I'm hungry I just drink them straight like water. I'm starting to feel hungry again. Well, I don't think it's a hunger feeling. I think it's like a, maybe I'm thirsty, like I need some water, because I'm not hungry. So I think after this I'm gonna drink some water because I think I'm a little dehydrated, to be honest. So I'm gonna drink some water and get into the work that I have to do that I mentioned to you guys, and then as I said, I'm gonna lock my hair. So I've rested enough. Guys, you would have watched my Shop Missy haul. These clips are from Shop Missy. I'm definitely gonna get more because they come in so handy, because I've always needed these, especially like when I'm doing my hair, because you guys know I do like all of my styles myself. So I definitely need to get more of these. The 2-pack was $1, so I need to probably buy like 2 more, you know. But it's definitely coming in handy. It's coming in clutch. I'm watching Arnell Armand's vlog right now. I'm watching her Vlogmas vlog. She's one of the YouTubers that I watch. By the way, you guys need to check out like the other Jamaican YouTubers that are doing Vlogmas as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link a few of them down in the description box that I watch and I support, so you guys can check them out as well. And I think more Jamaican YouTubers need to do that as well, kind of like support each other and kind of plug each other down in our description box, this Vlogmas, you know, just saying. But also when it's cold and dreary, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. By the way, I purposely braid these loose so I don't do my roots tightly with the braids. I'm watching Bacana's like baking vlog, by the way. But I'm gonna mute it so you guys can hear me. But yeah, so I purposely do these loose. Let me tell you why. The very first time I did locks on myself, I had braided the hair tight, like at the root, like regular braids. And what happens is that when you start to like wrap the hair around the braid and do the locking process, it makes the locks super tight, and then it stresses your roots. So I tend, especially at the front of my hair, I tend to braid it very loosely so that when I start to wrap and it wraps tight, it's not like tugging on my roots too much. So that's just like something to note if you're gonna do your own locks. You don't need to do the braids tight. They can just be loose like this. There's absolutely no need for it to be perfect. Just loose. The only thing that needs to be perfect is your part. That's literally it. I love it. To survive. You guys are nice to me. Take it all the time. I used to oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me. Good morning, guys. So as you can see, it's Thursday, the day that I'm going down to Negril. I'm currently packing because I didn't pack before, but as you guys can see, I have not finished my hair. I got so tired last night, I was over it. I was just like, I'm going to bed. So now my hair looks like this. It's not done. I'm gonna just like do it on my way down to Negril, like wrap my hair on the way down. But I'm currently packing. I mean, I'm only gonna be there for 3 days. I'm gonna be there till Saturday, so I'm just packing my stuff to go. Like, that's it. So it's just like outfits that I want to take, swimsuit stuff, and just clothes, like in case we go anywhere. Mom, what are you doing? Anyways, as I was saying before, I'm just like packing just outfits that I want to take. I have some outfits that I've gotten for a while, but I haven't been like on a staycation in a while for me to wear them, so I'm bringing those to shoot. And then I'm just bringing like some swimsuits and like just clothes for like when we go off property, because we'll probably just go to some different places around Negril. You know the vibes. You guys are used to me and my Negril adventures. So the next vlog that you guys are gonna get is gonna be the Negril vlog, which should be pretty exciting, which is also this Sunday. So I'm gonna have to edit real fast. Speaking of that, I didn't even get to upload my Shop Me Say haul last night because it was just taking a really long time to go up. So I'm actually gonna post it today at midday so that people can have that. And I actually need to put all the links in the description box for you guys as well. Yeah, so I need to do that. I'm probably gonna do that when I'm on my way to, well, I actually need to do it before, because I feel like by the time I'm on my way to Negril, it's like midday. You know what I mean? And I want the links to be there before I leave. But anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me again for another vlog during Vlogmas. You guys have a pretty exciting vlog coming up, you know, after this, so stay tuned. It would be really cool if I got enough footage to split the Negril vlog into 2, but we're gonna see how it goes. I have no expectations for Negril this weekend, to be honest. I plan on hanging out with a few friends, but I don't really have like actual plans, you know. I'm just gonna wing it. Whatever happens happens, and yeah, should be fun. I told you guys I'm going to Bacana, so should be fun. Should be a fun little, you know, girl trip. But thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down below, and also, you know, share this video and encourage some of your friends to come check me out for Vlogmas. And if you're not subscribed, go subscribe. Bye.